The aim and the process of the cocaine reinforcement behaviour study by Pickens and Thompson in 1968.
The aim was to investigate cocaine as reinforcement for rats, and whether different doses and different fixed ratio schedules affects the response and behaviour. 3 albino rats were laboratory-reared individuals in a cage, with free access to food and water. Each rat was fitted with a device that allowed it to self-administer cocaine solution when a lever was pressed. Each time a rat pressed a lever, an infusion of cocaine and saline was administered for continuous reinforcement. The number of levers pressed was recorded. The rats were given different doses of cocaine ranging from 0.2 milligrams to 3.0 milligrams, and a fixed ratio schedule, like the number of responses, was varied from FR5 to FR8I.
The results.
A fixed ratio schedule should produce a higher rate of response leading up to the delivery of cocaine. However, as the dose increased, the response decreased. Overall, it was found that the same level of drug was administered over the same time period, regardless of actual dose administered. Cocaine therefore reinforces behaviour, but when the dose of cocaine increases, the response decreases. Maybe waste shit.
The generalisability of the findings is narrow, so animals and humans respond and behave differently to each other. There also may be moral objections to the use of drugs in the animals. The experiment showed the drugs as reinforcers, so explains the addiction in humans. Also, the rats may act differently in caged environment than in natural environment, but the rats are laboratory-reared animals and they have no other experience.
Oh.
The effects on society.
Ow! The use of cocaine was found to reinforce the behaviour of the rats. However, in society, the use of cocaine does not act as a reinforcer in the same way as it does on the rats. On humans, instead, it is highly negative as it causes the destruction of many lives. As a person gets addicted, this can cause harm to others in an act of aggression on hurt loved ones. Also an influence of bad role model, which can then spread to others within society, making the issue worse.